Hi guys, dito tayo sa Palais Galliera. Ayan. For an exhibit. Okay, come with me. Hi guys, so ayan na yung labas niya. Diba ang ganda? Maganda mag-photoshoot dito guys. Please wear dress or something regal kasi yun. Okay, so pasok na tayo. Ito na yung diba? Glowing. Yun yung entrance. And then, yung exhibit guys, naka-arrange siya by year. So makikita nyo yung nagsimula dyan. Huwag nyo na akong tanongin anong year, diba? Punta na lang kayo. And then may mga captions, about the things. Ang ganda, diba guys? And then, also if you follow yung Instagram accounts ko, usually I would post some mini details about this. So, dun nyo na lang basahin yung details. Just in case you're interested. And ayan. Yan yung mga outfits. Ang interesting dito sa exhibit na to, they tailored it dun sa Olympics. So, may mga trivia ng Olympics. Like, may isang pamphlet saying ano yung sinusuot, ano yung suggested outfits to go to Olympics. Ayan yung suot nila pa nagda-drive kasi diba walang cover yung kotse, so kailangan nung unang panahon, so kailangan protektado. Ayan, pagbabike, etc. So aliw lang ganon yung exhibit na to. I think nung napunta kami this time ay libre siya, no need for reservation, pero kung hindi siya libre, of course you need to reserve, ganyan. And kung meron ka nung Paris Museum tickets, like for all over, which is our case, libre na yon, hindi mo na rin kailangan pa-reserve. Ayan, sige, picture muna. Ayan, di ba? And then, ito din sa sports section. So, ito yung Chanel na brand. Ayan. So, maraming sporty stuff kasi nga mag-Olympics. So, visit nyo guys. It's until next year.